Analyzing corridor surfaces. Today, we will check our corridor surfaces for slope, elevation extremes, and earthwork volumes. Why analyze corridor surfaces? Because safe, constructible roads depend on slopes within limits, known high or low points, and accurate cut or fill quantities. Civil 3D gives visual and numerical tools, slope analysis, elevation analysis, thin volume surfaces, and exportable reports. We will take the road B as an example to which the following steps apply. First, we must ensure that road corridor surface is created by expand surfaces from here and ensuring that there are two surfaces, the existing ground and road surface. We note that there is no road surface, so we will create it by select corridor surfaces, create a corridor surface, name it as corridor surface B with style 2 meter, and add data, links as top, add, then OK. The corridor surface B has now been added to the list of surfaces here. Now, we make sure that surfaces are created correctly. Zoom out. As shown here, we notice the appearance of random lines that extend beyond the scope of the road and its borders. So we need to remove them by adding boundary to the road. We will add a daylight as an external border. Select corridor, right-click, corridor properties, then select boundaries tab, and corridor surface, right-click, and corridor extends as outer boundary. Use type outside boundary, then OK. Rebuild the corridor. Thus, we have repaired the road surface and added an external boundary to it, as shown here. Slope analysis color codes the surface by slope %. Use it to verify pavement cross slope, daylight slopes, and steep areas that might violate design rules. A number of lines and shapes appear before us on the road, where the green lines represent the outer borders of the corridor surface and the inner lines represent the corridor itself. Select the road surface by right-click on green outer here and right-click, then choose Surface Properties. In Surface Properties dialog box, select Analysis. From Analysis type, select Slopes, then define a slope range and colors from here. Number 8. Then click in this button, Run Analysis. From this table, the details of the range can be controlled by adjusting the minimum and maximum slope for each row, as shown here. The first row takes the light red color. We can change it to another color. Click on it and choose this color. We will change the colors of the first two rows and this range. If the most pavement is in the 1 to 2.9% band, cross slope are good, and any red area more than 2.9% need further investigation. Are they daylight slope, ramps, or a modeling error? Click in Preview to show table. This table summarizes the lowest and highest slopes, the total area of each range here in this column, and its color. It can be added to map as a key. Click OK. To show the result of the slope on the road surface, select Surface, right-click, edit surface style, and in display tab, turn on slopes, then OK. And to add a map key from label and table, add legend, enter table type, slopes, and behavior dynamic, and put it here, slopes table, the first range from 0.03% to 2.09% with area 2251 with a green color as shown here in this area and here, and this is for range 2. But this part that appears in dark red indicates a steep decline of up to 50% as shown here. Return to corridor surface and edit surface style, head slopes, OK. Elevation analysis. Elevation analysis highlights high or low zones and helps spot drainage pits or incorrect elevation. Also, right-click in corridor surface and surface properties. Select analysis elevation with legend elevation, number of range 8 as shown here, the first range from 29 meter to 33 with color light blue to dark blue in final range 44 to 47 meter. Preview for a table with area for each range. OK. Right-click on surface, then edit surface style and show elevation and OK. The road appears divided into zones. Each zone has specific elevation range. The lowest zone appears in light blue here, and the highest zone appear in dark blue as shown here. Also, you can add table, add legend, elevation, dynamic, and put it here. You can also perform other analysis on the surface, like analysis type contours, direction, slope arrows, watershed, with same procedure used previously. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to rate this episode. Your feedback means a lot.